When a flood of support tickets hits your team, the difference between a churned customer and a satisfied one often comes down to one thing: knowing which ticket to touch first. Zendesk macros let you set ticket priority with a single click. Here is exactly how to build them. Zendesk gives you 4 priority levels: low for feedback and feature requests, normal for standard requests within your typical response window, high for billing problems or service disruptions hitting multiple users, and urgent, reserved for outages, security incidents, or VIP customers in crisis. Each level maps directly to a different SLA target. Before building your macro, understand this key distinction. Macros are manually applied by agents when they review a ticket. Triggers fire automatically based on conditions. Use macros when agents need to judge urgency on a case-by-case basis. Use triggers when the rules never change. Start in Zendesk Admin Center. Click Workspaces in the left sidebar, then go to Agent Tools and select Macros. This is your macro management hub where you can view, edit, and create. Only admins and agents with specific role permissions can create shared macros. Any agent can create personal ones. Click Add Macro and fill 3 fields before adding any actions. The name matters most. Use double-colon syntax like escalations high billing issue. This creates drop-down categories in the macro picker, so agents find the right one without scrolling through 100 options. Click Add Action and select Priority from the drop-down. You will see 4 options: low, normal, high, and urgent. Pick the level this macro is designed for. At this point, you have a working macro, but a macro that only changes priority wastes most of its potential. The best priority macros combine 4 actions. Change status to open so the ticket surfaces in active queues. Assign it to the right team or agent. Add tags for reporting, something like escalated or high priority. Then include a customer-facing comment that explains the change and sets a realistic reply time. Click Create to save, then test on a real ticket before announcing this to your team. Verify the priority changed, the status and assignee are correct, the tags appeared, and the SLA target updated. A macro that silently sets every ticket to urgent is worse than no macro at all. Here are 3 configurations you can use right away. An urgent escalation macro for critical system failures routes to senior support with a 30-minute commitment. A billing macro marks issues as high and sends them to your billing team with a 2-hour window. A normal SLA macro fixes tickets that arrived with no priority set, starting the SLA clock immediately. As your macro library grows, 3 habits keep it from becoming a mess. Use double-colon prefixes like escalations, priority, and routing to group-related macros. Schedule quarterly audits to update old messages and remove anything pointing to deactivated agents or groups, and deactivate macros instead of deleting them. That preserves historical data in your reports. If a macro runs but the priority does not change, check agent permissions first. Some custom roles block field editing. If the macro runs correctly but a trigger fires right after and resets the value, you have a conflict to resolve. And if SLA targets do not update, verify your SLA policy actually uses priority as a condition rather than some other field. Macros handle manual prioritization well, but they depend on agents catching every ticket that needs escalation. Eesel AI takes a different approach. It reads incoming ticket content, identifies urgency signals automatically, and routes high-priority issues to specialists the moment they arrive. It learns from your team's corrections over time, making every recommendation more accurate than the last. For teams handling high-ticket volumes, the combination of Zendesk macros for manual control and eesel AI for intelligent triage gives you both precision and speed. Try eesel AI free for 7 days at eesel.ai. No credit card required.